Hey guys, I'm Teacher Dai. Today I'm going to tell you how to use Easelly to create an information graphic. And there are 5 steps that help you to create an infographic. The first one is go to the website, and the second one is sign up, and the third one is choose or create a template, and the fourth one is add information to your infographic, and the final one is download your work. Okay, now let's start. First, we are going to click here and go to the website. And second, click create your own free account to sign up. You can sign up with your email or Facebook or also Gmail. I already have an account, so I'm going to click login to enter my account. There we go. Here's the website. There are so many ready-made templates that you can use it directly. Or you can also click blank template to create your own template. Alright, if you want to design your own style, you should choose a background first. Click backgrounds. For example, if you want to create an infographic that make a comprehensive of something, you can choose the fourth one. Okay, now let's delete this redundant text and visuals. Okay, now there we go. After that, we can resize your template. Click resize to whatever size you want. Okay, now you can drag or drop any icons to this template. And there are so many choices. Let's choose text. Okay. For example, let's add a title that says, okay, click title. And type Chinese culture versus American culture. And after that, you can change your text style and text size and text color and etc. and etc. Okay, after that, you can click objects to add some icons. Okay, and there are so many different categories, and you can choose a relevant category of your topic. Or you can choose media to add some images. And there are 3 choices for you to add images. The first one is search from an image gallery. And there are also some different categories that you can choose a relevant one. Or the second one is add a YouTube URL. And the third one is upload from your own computer. And you can also add some charts to illustrate your data. You can see there are so many different kind of charts. Okay, we are almost done here. And after finishing your work, you can click download. Okay, and export your work. That's it. And I hope I make it clear and comprehensible. If you have any questions about this website, feel free to ask me. And see you in the next class. Bye.